Hi guys, it's me Ria and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I am going to be sharing with you all my review of the Too Faced Born This Way concealer. So if you want to know more about this product, then please continue watching. So like we all know, Too Faced was quite some time back launched on Nykaa, and I've already done the Too Faced Born This Way foundation review already. So if you have not seen that, I'm going to be linking it up here as well as in the description box below. तो आप वहाँ जाके उसको check कर सकते हैं. But in today's video, I am going to review their concealer, and a lot of you guys did ask me to review their concealer. So today is finally the day. So let me just quickly show you the outer part packaging, and then we'll move on to the product itself. So this is how the product packaging looks like. It comes with this beautiful pink and gold color, and the shade name is mentioned on the packaging itself. And when you open it, this is how the actual product looks like. So I was honestly थोड़ा सा surprised with the size of this product, because ये थोड़ा सा ना in terms of like concealer का जो products होता है, like basically a concealer is quite sleek generally, but this one looked quite bulky. तो मैंने दो बार when it arrived I did check twice कि यार ये concealer ही है कि foundation आ गया है मेरे पास, but नहीं, ये concealer ही है, and this is the size of the concealer. So you can see it's like pretty huge and bulky. ठीक है, so this is similar to the foundation. इसका भी packaging is very simple, classic. It comes with a see-through packaging. एकदम ही see-through नहीं है, थोड़ा सा वो frosted kind है, तो but still you can see the shade inside. And on the bottom side again they have given this kind of a sticker जिस पे shade name and number दिया हुआ है. So in terms of the packaging, it's pretty similar to the foundation itself, except that उसमें वैसे cap आता है, and this में you get this kind of a wand. So this is how the wand looks like. Again, the wand is very huge as compared to the normal जितने भी concealers आते हैं, but this wand reminds me a lot of the Tarte Shape Tape concealer का wand. It's very identical to that. बहुत ही ऐसे chubby है, like you can see बहुत ही chubby है, and it also like brings in a lot of product. तो एक ही बार में बहुत easy application हो जाता है. So this is how the packaging looks like. Now let's see the claims. So first of all, Too Faced has mentioned that it is infused with coconut water, which helps to replenish the skin's moisture levels. It also contains alpine rose that helps to empower skin's health and resilience, and it also contains hyaluronic acid, which gives your skin a much more smoother and youthful appearance. So those were the ingredients in this concealer. And now coming on to the claims. So they have claimed that it is hydrating, which I think is pretty true. Second is it is long wearing. Yes, it is definitely long wearing. I do not feel the need to touch up anytime I wear this like concealer. Third claim is that it is photo friendly. Now definitely I do feel if you find the correct shade in this Too Faced concealer, then it will not give you even the slightest bit of flashback. So definitely that claim is true. And lastly, it is non-comedogenic, so okay. And also they have said that it provides maximum coverage with an undetectable finish. Okay, so in terms of the coverage, I do agree that it does give a full coverage just like the foundation. So I use this concealer in my under eye area and also to cover any other discoloration on my face. So this particular shade Warm Sand suits me perfectly. मतलब ये exactly मेरे skin tone का color है, तो that is why I like using this so to conceal any imperfections that I have. Okay, so when it comes to the face, it works beautifully for me. मतलब मुझे face पे बिल्कुल भी कोई issue नहीं होता है. When I use this concealer, it gives you a full coverage. Totally सारा imperfections बहुत अच्छे से वो cover कर देता है. But when it comes to my under eye area, I do have to say that I cannot apply it too much for getting better coverage. Okay, मैं आपको डेमो में दिखाई दूंगी what I'm talking about, but basically क्या है ना, in my under eye area I do have a lot of fine lines. So if I apply too much of this product, then it starts to crease. Okay, and because इसका texture थोड़ा thick है, तो under eye में specially just use very little. Okay, blend it, and then maybe if you feel you can apply a second layer. But personally, if I go to talk about my own experience, because I have a lot of fine lines in my under eye area, if I apply too much of this product, then it starts to crease because of the thickness I feel. Okay, because it is such a thick concealer that ज़्यादा लगाने से it will crease in my under eye area, but otherwise overall on my entire face it works beautifully. I do not have any issue. In fact, this is the only concealer that I'm currently using for concealing my pigmentation, because मेरा skin has not been doing well lately and इतना सारा मुझे marks and everything है, but with this concealer totally covers up every single thing. So on days that I'm not using my Too Faced foundation, and if I'm using any other foundation, then I use this concealer and it just gives me a flawless finish. So that was my mini review, and now let's get on with the demo. Okay, so like you guys can see, I have just applied my foundation, and now I am going to apply our Too Faced Born This Way concealer. So like I mentioned, the shade I have chosen for myself is Warm Sand, because I have the foundation in the same shade. And yeah, so I'm going to apply this just under my eyes. Because this is a very thick consistency concealer, I'm just going to apply very little initially, and then then apply more if I feel like. And now I'm going to just blend it with my microfiber sponge. So this, like I said, this foundation, this concealer definitely gives a amazing coverage. Like it's almost like medium coverage. So I don't really like using this foundation like too much in my under eye area, because I have a lot of fine lines in my under eye area. So if I apply too much, it kind of starts creasing because it's thicker, right, in the consistency. So this much is good enough for my under eye area, and I don't really mind this kind of coverage. It's definitely not like a full coverage, but I don't mind this kind of coverage in my under eye area, because if I apply another layer over this, then it starts creasing because I have a lot of fine lines. So yeah, this is the kind of coverage that it gives. So I prefer this kind of coverage in my under eye area. It's not totally full, but it's decent enough. And I'm also going to apply this here in my around the mouth area pigmentation I do have. So so it does give a beautiful coverage. I'll also apply a bit on my nose. So this is how the concealer looks like in my under eye area, and now I am going to set this, and I'll be right back after finishing my entire face. Okay guys, so I am back. I did my full face of makeup. I did apply my blush, highlight and contour as well, and like you can see, it just gives me a beautiful finish. Thoda sa after a while it does to start to crease in my under eye area. थोड़ा सा वो एक पॉइंट आप भी प्लीज़ मेक श्योर यू आर अवेयर ऑफ दैट फैक्ट दैट डोंट अप्लाई टू मच product in your under eye area, but otherwise for overall concealing on the face, I would highly recommend you do give it a try. It is only for rupees 1900, which is such a steep. just like the foundation, it just gives you a nice even toned full coverage look, जो मुझे बहुत पसंद है. So yeah, I would highly recommend you do try out this concealer. If you're similar to my skin tone, I am an NC43, so if you're similar to me, NC43, then this particular shade Warm Sand will again suit you perfectly. So yeah, that was my mini review, and I hope you did like this video. If you did, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and also please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet already, and I shall see you all in my next video. Until then, bye bye.